What's up YouTube, it's Sean here, and today I'm back to review the Vince Staples collaboration with Converse on the Chuck Taylor All-Star 70 High. These dropped January 25th for a US retail price of $110 and a retail price here in Canada of $130. So this is part of the Vince Staples and Converse collaboration where they released alongside this model a low cut as well as a hoodie. The official colorway for this shoe was black, vibrant orange, and aigrette. And here, at least in Canada, these were a pretty limited release. So these were available online at converse.ca and they were available at select boutiques such as Haven. Fortunately for me, Converse hooked it up and sent me a surprise pair this past Friday morning. So this shoe takes your classic Chuck Taylor All-Star 70, but it incorporates certain key aspects that makes it unique to Vince Staples. So the upper of the shoe is comprised of black canvas featuring the contrast white stitching throughout. Running up the center of the shoe are these 8 metallic eyelets done in a matte black finish, and then the laces on these shoes are done in an off-white color, but they do come with a secondary pair of laces done in black. The tongue on these shoes is also done in black canvas, and at the very edge of the tongue, right before the toe cap, we have the words big on the left foot and fish on the right foot. This is done in capital letters all in orange, and this of course is a nod to Vince Staples' album Big Fish Theory. Found on the ankle area on the inner medial side, we have this Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star patch done in a combination of orange and black. Underneath this patch on the medial side, once again, we have these 2 ventilation holes that look pretty much identical to the eyelets of the shoe. As we take a look at the back of the shoe, we have this orange strip of nylon along with the word C also done in orange. This of course represents Vince Staples' brand along with his podcast, Section 8 Art House. And right underneath these letters, we have this rubber patch done in orange with the Converse All-Star branding. The toe cap on these shoes is done in aigrette, which is like an off-white sort of color, and it's done with a shiny finish to it. As we take a look at the insoles, so these do come with an ortho-light insole that has an aquarium graphic on it done in blue, along with Converse branding on the heel. Found right below the canvas, we have this orange piping that's found wrapping around the entire length of the shoe, and then right underneath this, we have the midsole, which is also done in the same aigrette color, and it also has this shiny effect to it. Found at the very center of the midsole, we have this black piping that's found on both sides of the shoe as well. As we flip the shoe over to the bottom, here's my personal favorite part of the shoe. So as you can tell, the outsole is done in this translucent rubber, and underneath this, we have an image of the Big Fish Theory cover art that's found on both shoes. And similar to all your other Chuck Taylor All-Stars, we have this Converse branding found at the very center of the outsole. In terms of sizing, so these fit the same to me as all my other Converse Chuck Taylors, so I recommend going at least a half size down, if not a full size down. So I typically wear between a size 10 and a 10.5 in most of my sneakers. These ones I got in a size 9.5 and they fit me very comfortably. One thing to consider is that Chuck Taylor All-Stars do fit narrow, especially around this toe cap area, so I definitely recommend trying them on first if you can, and if not, going a half size down would be a safe bet. Comfort wise, so the majority of the comfort does come from this ortho-light insole. Aside from that though, the underfoot feeling is pretty stiff, so I definitely would not recommend this shoe if you're looking for a very comfortable sneaker. So now let me lace up these Vince Staples Converses and show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, as far as Chuck Taylor All-Stars go, the quality and the build on these was pretty good. So I had no issues with my pair, and I feel like Vince Staples and Converse did a really good job incorporating just enough touches to make it unique while not making it too loud and too out there. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these Vince Staples Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star High. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and be sure to give me a follow on my Instagram as well at SGO8. One final thank you goes out to the Converse family for hooking me up with these shoes, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next review.